Good day, everyone, and welcome to yet another episode from MMGH Worldwide Travels. Today, we are bringing you a first look of United Airlines A321Neo. In an era where technology advancements are redefining air travel, United Airlines has made a significant leap forward with the introduction of its first A321Neo. This modern marvel is not only a testament to the airline's commitment to innovation, but also a game changer in the aviation industry. In this vlog, we will take a closer look at United Airlines' first Airbus A321Neo and its implication for the future of air travel. The Airbus A321Neo, short for New Engine Option, is an upgraded version of the popular A321 aircraft, which has long been a workhorse for many airlines around the world. What sets the A321neo apart is the incorporation of the latest technological innovation in aviation. Let's delve into some of the key features that makes it stand out. The A321neo is powered by state-of-the-art engines that are more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly than previous models. This efficiency translates to lower operational costs and reduced carbon emissions, aligning with United Airlines' commitment to sustainability. The A321neo boasts an extended range, making it suitable for both domestic and international routes. United Airlines can now explore new destinations and offer passengers a more extensive network of air travel options. United Airlines has taken the opportunity to revamp the cabin interior of its A321neo, which we will be expanding further in the second installment dedicated to the aircraft interior, which you will not want to miss. The A321neo reduces fuel consumption and emissions aligned with United Airlines sustainability initiatives. By investing in this aircraft, the airline is contributing the global effort to minimize the environmental impact of air travel. United Airlines' decision to introduce the A321neo to its fleet carries significant implications for both the airline and its passengers. The updated cabin design provides passengers with a more comfortable and enjoyable journey. From larger overhead bins to in-flight Wi-Fi and power outlets, United Airlines aims to offer a top-notch travel experience. With the extended range of the A321neo, United Airlines can explore new routes and expand its network, opening up opportunities for travelers to visit previously undeserved destinations. As the aviation industry faces growing pressure to reduce its environmental footprint, United Airlines' commitment to the A321neo is a step in the right direction. By adopting fuel efficiency technology, the airline contributes to a more sustainable future. United Airlines' first Airbus A321neo is more than just a new destination to its fleet. It symbolizes a commitment to innovation, passenger comfort, and environmental responsibility. As air travel continues to evolve, the A321neo sets a standard for what passengers can expect from modern aircraft with its range, efficiency, and enhanced passenger experience. It is poised to shape the future of air travel and keep United Airlines at the forefront of the aviation industry. Travelers can look forward to exciting journeys, new destinations, and a greener way to explore the world, all thanks to this remarkable aircraft. And as a reminder, this aircraft will go into service December 14 with a Chicago-Phoenix routing. Hope this video was helpful and that you all enjoyed it. Please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you all for watching, and as always, safe travels.